Hello and welcome back, my little bundle of joy. I can see everyone so excited, so energetic today for the session. Okay, so any guesses what we are going to make today? Any guesses? Keep trying. Yeah, that's a craft session, right? What else? Well, for that, let me take you through the workstation. Let me take you through my workstation and you will get to know. Well, look at this, the beautiful craft right there, the cute Easter bunnies. What are they? Yes, the Easter bunnies, and that's a bookmark. So the reason why I am using and I have kept it on the diary to show you the sample, that how it works. So since you guys like to read books, you guys like to read comics, so these are the handmade cute bookmarks you can make on your own and can have fun. Aren't they cute? Yes, that's how we make. So these are the small samples and this is the bigger one. So basis the size, basis your requirement, you can create it on your own. Now quickly let me take you through all the requirements then. So for this session, for this activity, we would need sketch pens, Fevicol, scissor since it's craft, pencil and eraser, and some colorful sheets. So you can use the colored sheets of your choice. Any color you would like to add, any color you prefer to use, so you can use that color. Okay, so are we all ready? Okay, quickly take all the requirements with you on the table so that we can start the session. And let me keep other things aside and let me pick up a sheet of my favorite color. So I will be using orange color this time. So let me use an orange colored sheet. Okay, so I'll be using an orange color sheet to make this bunny, and I would suggest you to pick or take any colored sheet of your choice or any color that is your favorite. So you can use the favorite color of yours. Okay, now keep other things aside and I will keep them here only. And carefully, yes. Are we ready? Give me a thumbs up, everyone. Okay, let's start. Take your favorite sheet there. Though we would need what? A square sheet for this. But since we don't have it, for example, so have a look how we can create it. Quickly take this sheet, keep it on the table or any workstation or the platform you are working on. Now from one corner, as you can see, give it a fold to the bottom line. Very carefully give this a fold. Okay? Look. Now press it properly or grease it. Yes. Done, everyone? Now which shape it is making? Very good, everyone. Very good. So, yes, it's making a triangle. And you can see an extra line right here. The extra strip you can see. The extra portion from the back side also you can see. So, quickly take the scissors or you can take your parents' help in this and cut that extra rectangle portion. Quickly trim off that extra portion. Removed? Have a look. I still can see the extra marking here. What I will do is, I will also remove this one. Yes. So quickly remove the extra portion from other side too and try to make it equal. Now I will show you that how this rectangle A4 sheet will turn into a square sheet. As you can see, isn't it turned into a square sheet? Yes. So as we have one fold already, keep it in a form of a diamond. Isn't it? I have kept it in a form of a diamond. So similarly keep it. Very good. Now take one corner, place it over another, and when placed equally, grease. Press it with your hands to give a margin. Done? Very good, everyone. Now pick another side of it. Good. Carefully, and overlap it to another side. Yes. Try to make it meet the another side. Again with your hands, press this also. Now this is another folded triangle. Is it done, everyone? What we have to do next? Carefully see this step. From one corner, take it to the top. Pick one corner as you can see and take it to the top portion. Now again, with the help of your fingers, press this. Done? Very good, everyone. Again, take another side and place it to the top portion and take it to the top portion. Take that also. What you will see is a diamond-like structure. A cube if kept like this and a diamond if kept like this. Is it, everyone? This is the shape that we will get after making these folds. Okay? Fair enough? Now, all the margins, everything, we have to open the sheet now. Let's quickly open this sheet. Yes. And keep it like this. Keep it in a form of a diamond. Done? Now, what we have to do next is pick one corner which is towards you, the corner which is on your side. Give it a triangle fold, a triangle. You would see a margin. See there, you will find a margin like this on that. So, using that margin, just give that triangle a fold. And again, grease, press it properly. Done? Very good. Wow. And this is how I got to know all your favorite colors, because the paper you guys are using is your favorite color. I'm assuming that. And this is how I got to know that what's your favorite color actually. Very good. Now, after this step, the orange one, the fold one, I would say, this is the fold. Now, you will find a shape like this. Again, with the margin, using the margin, fold this to half of it. This is the shape that you will get. This is how the shape, this will be the shape that you will get after making this fold. Okay? Now, yes, do it quickly. I'm repeating this step again for you. After all the folds, when we open the sheet will look like this. Okay? Now, with the help of your hands, and as the margin is guiding you, make a triangle fold, the very first triangle fold. Done? Then the sheet will look like this. Okay? Now again, using the edges, using the corners, make a fold, another fold, overlapping it like this. Okay, that's covered. It has covered your sheet now. And again, you will see a triangle, but there is a doubling of a sheet and it's a single portion. And this is how it will look from the back side. Done, everyone? Now, flip the sheet. Turn the sheet round. Okay? From this portion, from this shape, turn the sheet like this. Flip it. The bottom portion will, when you will flip it, the bottom portion will become the top, and the top portion, this will become the bottom. Done? Very good. Now, pick one corner and make it fold in a way that it will touch the top point, the tip of the craft work. Yes, make it fold in a way that it will touch the tip. Again, grease it. Done? Very good. Do the same thing with the another side. Yes, do it in the same way for the another side of it. Quickly. Very good. Very carefully. Good. Make it meet. Done? The surprise! What you will get? A shape like this. Look, that's a shape like this where you can put in your hands also. You will find a shape like this. Now quickly paste the back side. Take your Fevicol out. Apply it on one side of the head. Place it, press it. Similarly, apply the glue on another side of it. Very good. Very, very good. Now again, paste this side also. Paste this side as well. If you want to make the smaller version of it, use small square sheets as I have used in these ones. So you can compare this with this. This is from a bigger sheet and these are from the small size sheets. So accordingly, as per your need, as per your requirement, you can use the size of the sheet. Now you can see this is the cup portion. Similarly, this is the portion which will get into, as you can see here. This is the mouth that will hold your page. This is the mouth that will get into the book or any object you are using it for. Okay? Yes, that's the whole sole purpose. Similarly, the smaller one will look like this. The bigger one will look like this. Cute. Now, let's add characters to features, basically the features to this Easter rabbit that we are making. Okay. So for that, I would need other or different color sheets. Very first, I will be giving it eyes and a tooth. A pair of teeth. The bunny teeth, we call it. Yes. So for that bunny teeth, let me add some character to it, and for that bunny teeth I am using a different, rather than making it with white, I am using this paper. That's a colorful bunny. I will be making it a colorful bunny. So I will be using this to make the tooth portion. Okay. What we have to do, just quickly from one corner cut a cube. Okay. From one corner of the sheet, just cut a cube. Or if you want to make it white using a white paper, so you can use white also, but I am trying to make it colorful, so that's the reason why I am using, yes, a colored sheet. I have used a colored sheet. Okay. Now this is how it will get pasted. What I have to do is, first of all, I need to make it a little thin, so I will cut the edges. And what else I will do? I will quickly draw one partition line in between. Yes, so that it will look like it's a pair of teeth. Rather than one teeth, it will look like a pair of teeth. So I will draw a line in between and quickly paste it. So as and when you are done with the steps, just keep on adding the characters to your craft. Now let's add, or let's give it a pair of tooth. Ho ho ho, the bunny rabbit. That's a colorful Easter rabbit. So these will be the tooth. Now it's time to give it ears. You can use two different colors to make ears, as I have done here. I have used black sheet and a blue sheet. And for this one, as you can see, I have used the same sheet. It's just I have given it an outline. So accordingly, you can use same color set of ears or two different colors you can use. So let me make two different colors. Let me make it using two different colors. Quickly, I will be using this color only because these color make a really good combination, and that's the reason why I am preferring to use it. So what I will do, I will cutely make a little leaf-like structure as a little 1, and 2. I am giving it an outline so that it can be visible to all of you easily. That's 1. And this is another one. Okay? Similarly, let's make the other half of it using orange color. Let's make a combination of these two. So, if it is of this size, try to make the orange one a bigger size. Orange ears should be of bigger size, and that's the reason why I have made bigger ears here on this sheet. Similarly, you too make it. Very good, everyone. Wow. Some of you, I can see, are making really good color combinations for making the ears. Very good. Very, very impressive, guys. Let's quickly give it an outline. Very good. Yes. Superb, superb. Again, keep trying. Very good. Very, very good. Now, take out the scissors. Or parents, you can help your kids in this. Give them a cut. Just go by the outlines and give it a cut. Okay? Just give it a cut. Very good. Wow. Good job, everyone. This is one, the bigger size of the ear. Another second ear, I would say. This is the second ear of the bunny. Very good. Very good. Wow. Superb. Great. Very well done, everyone. So now I have got two ears, as you can see. Similarly, let's cut the greener one. The combination. Let's make a combination of both of them. Then it will look even more cuter. Quickly trim off the portions like these. Very good. Very good. Wow. Oh, that's cute. Superb, superb. Do it. Very nice. Nice, nice, nice. Parents, you can help your kids in this. Or kids, be very careful. I kept on repeating the fact that while making craft, just be very careful when you are using scissors. Okay? This needs a little bit of cutting, very few cutting this session would need. But otherwise also be very cautious while using scissors. Okay? Very good. Look, I have got the pair here. Okay? Now, just quickly on the bigger portion, paste the smaller one first. On the bigger ear, bigger part side of the ear, paste the smaller one, the smaller ear part. Ear cutting, I will say. Look, one set of ear. Bring on to you the another set. Okay, so quickly add some quickly add some glue to it. As you can see, very good everyone, very good. Now, cute one? Okay, now quickly add glue on top of it so that we can paste it to the head of bunny. Give a tilt and also press it thoroughly with your hands. Press it properly using your hands. One ear, a bunny with one ear? That doesn't make sense. Let's give another ear to this bunny. Add some Fevicol or some glue which is available with you on the another side of the bunny's head. A little bit below. Okay, cute. Very good everyone, very good. I can see so many of you have done it properly. Very well done, very good. Done? Okay. Let's quickly. Okay, what is missing in this bunny now? What's that that's missing? What's that? What's something that is missing? Well, yes, the eyes, the blind bunny. No, let's make it even more cuter by adding eyes to it. So quickly draw a circle. Take out, I am drawing it directly using the sketch pen. What you can do is, you can draw it first using either any circular object or you can draw it using pencil first. So let's make it this big. Yes. Now quickly cut off the eyes portion. Keep the sheet aside. Very good. Drawn? Good. Yes. Give it some beautiful cute eyes. And it's time to cut those. Very good. Very good. Keep trying everyone. Very good. Here is one eye. On to the next one. Let's cut off the another part of eye. Very good. Cute, no? Excited enough for adding every features, more features to your bunny, for giving and completing it as soon as possible so that we can use it. I am in love using this, and on regular basis, since I have it with me now, so I am using it while I read. Yes, It makes your reading even more interesting. Trust me on this. Yes, you will feel excited about reading books so that you can use different characters or different, yes, bookmarks like these. Very good. Let's carefully add outline to it using black sketch pen. That's what I'm doing. It will add more, it will make eyes more attractive. It will add more value to the eyes. Okay, so quickly do this, and on the corners make a structure, a half structure like this. On one corner you can see I have made a partition like this. Now with the fingertip hold it and fill it in the color. Done. Similarly, make such partition on another eyeball, on another eye, I'm sorry, and fill it with black color. Done. Now quickly using your Fevicol and place it on the back side, just paste it. Add some Fevicol on the back side and apply it to the eyes. Put one eye here, another eye, pick it up, apply some glue to it and place it over here. Cute, no? Yes. What is missing? The cute little nose. So we will do it. You can either make it with a craft paper, but now since I want to give it a cute shape, I will be making it with a, yes, with a maroon color. Okay, so how we will make it? A curvy triangle we will make. A curvy triangle like this. An upside down triangle. Yes, it should be a little bit curvy. Add some color to it. Like fill in with the pen, with the color, same color. Yes. Now, if we want to make it even more brighter with this, we want to make this portion more brighter. Let's fill it some red color. Okay. The Easter Bunny bookmark is almost ready. Why almost? Any guesses? Yes, let's give it some hair which are there on their cheeks, no? Oh yes, now it's ready. Isn't this cute? This is how you can make the cute bookmarks of different shapes, of different sizes and using different colors. So, aren't they cute? This is the first craft work that we can make using the origami papers. Either you can use it or even with the basic colored craft papers. Just make it and try it, and that will make your reading a fun session. Okay, now coming on to the next character. What it would be? Any guesses? That we will be making using the origami thing only, the origami technique. So we will be making a very cute craft using the origami technique. Okay, so for that I will use if it's fox, so I want to make it cute. So let's make it with the pink color. Okay, I am using pink color. You can pick any color of your choice. The method is initial method, the beginning method is same. Okay, let's keep my bunnies aside. Mr. Bunny, I'm sorry. Now pick up the paper, give it a fold so that we can get a square shape like that. Similarly, with the same technique, pick one corner of the sheet, make it meet to the another one, thoroughly press the portion. This will be the quicker one, the quick trick it will be. Okay, folded everyone? Very good, very good everyone. Done? Now if you have square sheets, then it's like great for you because you can make things very quickly then. And if not, so this is how we can, from an A4 sheet we can make we can pick up a square sheet. So this is the method of it. So just from what we have done is place the sheet in a sleeping position. Okay, we have pick one corner, the left corner of the sheet, and make it meet at the bottom line so that it will give us a shape of a triangle. Yes. Now trim off the extra areas. Quickly trim off the extra portions. Very good. Just remove this extra part. Done. Similarly, if I flip it around, I can see there is a little bit extra margins on this portion. So I will also remove that. Very good. Okay, what you will get now? Have a look. A square sheet, and this way if you will place it, so it's a kite. Then it's a kite. Yes. Now again, everyone, do it. Wow, very good. Really great color combinations. Superb. This is a quick folding origami technique. The craft that we will be making are very quick crafts that you can create. These are the cute ones and can be made very easily with the materials available at home. Okay, so everyone, you got it? You got the shape like this? Now fold it in triangle as it was. Yes, very good. What we have to do next? Any guesses? Quickly paste one side to another. Quickly paste these sides. Take the glues out. Take your Fevicol glue, whatever is available with you. Take them out. And place it on your sheets. Very good. Very good. Now properly paste them. Paste one side to another. Done? Very good everyone. Done? Yes. What we have to do next is take one side, take one corner of it. Okay? And fold it upwards. Fold it in a way that it will look like an ear. Fold it in a way. This is one side of it. Let's make it a little big. This will be another side of it. I am making it even bigger. Yes. So make it look like this. Okay. If from both the sides you have done it, properly press it. Done. When you will flip it around, it will look something like this. Okay. Done. Very good. Now you can see the tip here. To give it a look of a face, let's quickly take your pencils out. Quickly take it. Let me take mine. I will draw it with the pencil first so that you can see it. Give it a turning sharpness. It's very sharp already. Give it a bluntness, like make it look like a round part. And what we will be doing is, we will remove this tip from here. We will remove the tip portion from here. Okay. So using the sketch pen, if you want to make an outline, though it's not required, I have already make it dark so that every one of you can see it. And it's just, we want to remove this portion, this extra edginess. We will remove it. Okay. Take the scissors out and yes, using this, just trim off the portion. Now it will look like a face of someone, of a creature. Which creature that is? Now you will guess. Let me quickly pick up my black sketch pen and draw a feature to it. Just carefully observe. And now you have to guess, I'm telling you. Now you have to guess which character is this, which animal, which creature is this that I am making. Let's pick. Now I'll be using red sketch pen. Let me find that. This is maroon, this is orange. So in that case, let me use maroon one. And let me add some character to it. Or else you can use brown color to make it even more darker. So let me pick up or take my brown color out. Very good, everyone. Any guesses? Which character is this? Well, that's a fox. Yes. So, what we have made out of this origami craft, just by folding, we have made a fox. Very good, everyone. You can add features to it, whichever way you want to make it. So, this is the fox. Okay. Now quickly let's add glue to the ears also. Only half part of it which will be pasted. Applied glue only on those portions. That's one side. Similarly, either apply it on the body of the fox, on the face of the fox, so that it will get pasted only, or the glue will be applied only to the portion that needs to be pasted. Have a look. That's a fox. Mr. Fox. Oh, cute one. Now quickly, that's the second craft. That's the second character or a creature you can make using the origami method. Here comes the third one. What we will be making now? That you have to guess. So quickly take another colored sheet. So let me use a blue one here or an orange one. Orange we have already used, so we will be using a blue one. Okay, again, to make it a square sheet, let's fold. Very good. Yes, isn't that cute and easy one? That's a quick craft. Similarly, the dog that we will be making, oh, I already revealed it. So the character, that is the dog that we will be making using the same technique, same method. Very good. So again, pick up your sheets, everyone. It's there? Good. Now from one corner, pick up the corner of the sheet, place it like in a sleeping position. Pick the extreme corner and place it at the bottom, so that you will get a square cutting from this. Okay, fair enough. Now trim off the extra surface. This will be the extra surface, the extra area. Let's remove it using the scissors, and be very careful while you are using the scissor. Okay, be very, very careful. Let me fix it properly and then trim off the extra portions. Why we are cutting it? So that from a rectangular A4 sheet we could get a square A4 sheet. Yes, we could get a square sheet. Okay, and also there are papers available in market by the name origami sheets, so you can, if you have that with you, that's better. Otherwise, we know the technique how to make it. Let's quickly from another side also make it equal. Okay, I can see yes, my sheet is equal now. Let's clear off extra areas, all the waste paper. This is how, if I will place it like this, so this is how it will look, and if I will place it like this, so this is the, yes, the square. Okay, now everyone done? Very good. Very, very good. Okay, do it, it's okay. Yes, very good. I can see some of you are really exactly matching the pace. Very good. Sorry for this. Now, excuse me for this, sorry. We are done with this part. Place the sheet in a diamond shape. Overlap one corner to the bottom part of it, to the extreme one, and make the ends meet. You will get a triangle. You will find the shape of a triangle, aren't you? Good? Okay. Now, for what you have done, remember what you have done to make the fox? You have folded how? Upwards. For making a character of a dog, for making a craft of a dog, you have to fold it downwards. Yes. So, take one corner and fold it downside, downwards. Similarly, pick one corner, another corner, and fold it downwards. So, these will be the what? Ears of your dog. These will be the ears of your dog, as you can see. Okay. One more thing you have to do here is you have to fold it. Fold this pointed area. Here you have cut it to give it a sharpness. To give it a curvy tone, you have cut the sharpness and make it a curvy one. Similarly, you have to fold this portion upwards for making a dog. Now you will get a shape like this. Okay. Now you will get a shape like this. Fair enough. Let's fold it equally because it's uneven from both the sides, or maybe we need to bring this ear portion forward. Yes, and now fold it, so we will get, yes, it's a bow, it's a doggy. Yes, let's add characters to it so that it actually looks like one. Quickly paste all the areas, all the portions, apply the glue. Okay, now at the bottom part also, the bottom area, the face of the dog. Clear? Paste it. Since it's 2 sheet, I have to apply glue to this portion also. Okay, now paste another ear of the dog. Yes, carefully paste it, and look, this will be the dog. Okay, let's add features to it. If I will apply, since it's a dark color sheet, so if I will apply the sketch pen directly, it won't be that impactful. So what I will do is, I will be making its eyes using white color sheet. Let me quickly make a circle, 2 circles instead, for making dog's eye. It should be of this size. This seems like a bigger one, so let's make a smaller one. Yes, okay, 2 big circles. Now I will quickly cut it, and so you make 2. I have drawn it directly using the sketch pen. You can either use any circular object, or if you are making with hands also, or you are making it on your own directly, so use pencil first and then give it an outline using a sketch pen. Okay, yes, do it everyone. Very good, very good, nice, looks good, very good. Yes, do it. Okay, now quickly take the scissors out, as we need to cut the eye portion. So quickly take your scissors out and cut the eye portion. Isn't this an easy technique? You can make lots and lots of characters like these using this just a folding method and using this origami, paper origami technique. Okay, so there are various characters you can make out of this using this. It's just give a fold, and there are various characters, designs. By adding the features to your character, you can create so many such characters like these. Now quickly, very carefully, be very cautious while using scissor, and as you are doing it, just go by the outlines and cut the eye portion of the cute dog. So I have got 2 eyes. What I will be doing now is, I will be giving it an outline and a proper feature to the eyes, proper design to the eyes. Very good. Now quickly, first give it a broader outline. Very good, very, very good. Okay, this is one, and let's draw 1, big eyeball and attach to that a smaller one. Now quickly color the whole area, remaining area, leaving behind a white line. Let's quickly color it. Color it till this. So eyes you can make accordingly as per your wish, and you can give it more characters, you can add more characters to it, you can give more features to this, to your artwork. That's totally upon you. And okay, so how I got to know that you have actually tried it? Do share it with us. Yes, so here in this case you will share the beautiful artwork that you have tried at home with us. Where? On the Yellow Class portal. You can share it on Yellow Class FB page also, or you can share it on Yellow Class Instagram page too. So you have multiple mediums, guys. You can connect and reach out to us in any ways possible. So this is one eye, the cute one eye. Similarly, let's create another one of the cute doggo. Yes, for this cute doggy, for this cute dog, we will be creating, giving it a character. Very good. Great job, great job. Now, one big eyeball. Another smaller eyeball attaching to it. Fill in the colors and leave this portion till the hair. Just fill in the color in your eyeball, in the dog's eyeball that you are making. Very good. Oh wow, such a beautiful cute little eyes. Very good. I'm waiting and I'm very much excited that how many of you will actually do it. Make such characters, very cute little characters, and get yourself clicked with them. Do click your pictures. You can also do click capture the video, the beautiful moments where you are trying to make it. Yes, we would be glad to see all your efforts and everything. So now quickly, since the eyes are ready and my hands are like dirty, so quickly let's paste them. Pick one eye, apply some glue to it, and here you go. One eye. Second, another eye. The character, the features, when added to any craft, will make it look even more attractive. As you can see, it has given value add to the character. Now seems like a creature? It does. Good. Now you can shift accordingly. You can shift the eyes, whichever portions you feel like. Okay, quickly take I will be using brown pen here, and quickly let's design its nose. Yes, the nose portion. So for that, make a curvy triangle or an upside down triangle. Let's make one. Very good, everyone. Fill in the color in this. Fill the color, fill it properly. Very good. Very, very nice. Wow. We will add a very special one more element here so that it will look more cuter and more beautiful, and that character is this. Wait, let's have a look. It's done. Draw a line in between, make it go from one side, make a J like this, cute, and make J on the other side of it. So your cute little dog is ready. Isn't this cute? Yes, look. Say hi to Mr. Dog. Hi, Mr. Dog. And that's how, using various colors, color paper you can use, and using the same technique, you can create very beautiful creatures and characters like these. How was it? Good one? Okay, so that's what I am expecting from you all, that you will create many such characters like these through folding, through using different colors, textures, patterns, and the characters. And that's how. Yes, so do attempt it, try it, get yourself clicked, and share your work, your efforts with us on Yellow Class portal. You can share it on Yellow Class FB page also, as well as on Yellow Class Instagram page. And that's how all these characters right there are saying bye to you, and they are waiting for you excitedly to see all your great efforts. That's all for the day, guys. Hope you really like it and you will try it at home, and will have lots and lots more fun while making them. That's all, guys. Bye bye.